Hello, my name is Teacher Ruby. I am 23 years old and I am a native English speaker from South Africa. I have 4 years of experience teaching English online, and I have a 120-hour TEFL degree. I teach students from the age of 3 all the way to adults. I would love to meet you and help you with your English skills. I can help you with your speaking, writing, listening, and reading. We can focus on your pronunciation and your grammar. I tailor my lessons to your needs. My hobbies are spending time with my dogs, cooking, spending time in nature, and getting to know people more. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you soon and help you reach your goals in English.